Look, I'm at triplex. My wife don't want me to take this wall down right here. All right. So she thinks it's unique when you walk in, living room, and then this room right here is nothing. You know. So I'm gonna make it into a bedroom. Okay. So I'm gonna take that wall down and put a new wall. What you think? Should I take it down? I'm gonna do anyway, but what do you think? I should agree with the wife. She thinks it's unique, antique, you know. I think it's a waste of space. Hello, today I'm going to show you an update on this house right here, this triplex. Okay, going to show you an update on this triplex. Hello, today I'm going to show you the update on this triplex. Today's going to be the last day. I'm going to be working on this house for a while because I gotta go back and work on the property that I just put one of the tenant out. Next video I'm going to show you how that property look like. Okay. So this update is, as you can see, over here another room is being built. Okay, as soon as you walk in, this is the apartment A. As soon as you walk in this door, this is the apartment A. That's B right there. As soon as you walk in this door, there's gonna be a living room right here. I'm gonna move that box at another place and install a light somewhat, yeah. So it being usable for now. Oh, I'm gonna leave it on. And as you can see, This is another room. Okay, it's being built right now. Show you how it was. I broke that wall over there. I broke the wall. It was unnecessary wall. It was like living room, dining room or something like that. No bedroom. So I'm gonna make it into a bedroom. We're gonna have a 2-bedroom apartment. This is a big hallway. Usually hallway is supposed to be a minimum of 36 inch. I got this 42-inch hallway. Okay, pretty big. Another 6-inch. As you can see, that's the bathroom right here. Here's my kitchen. And here's going to be another bedroom. This is the triplex. Okay. I keep getting called from one house to the next. That's why. Alright, let's go watch another apartment. I'm not even going to bother showing you the apartment C because apartment C is not even started. Okay. Apartment C is not even started. So right here, see it? You got your bathroom here. See it? Got your bathroom. This goes your kitchen. I'm gonna make this into a 2-bedroom apartment also. So I'm gonna break this wall down. This wall, it's already been done, but for the price of it, just go break it down to make more money. Okay, go break it down to make more money. See, that's this apartment. Outside, I just did the porch the other day. Okay, so that's basically it. Gotta finish this and go to the next one. That's basically it.